Hey guys, me, gouged, and today I have a gas tank skid plate over here. So this is from Rival 4x4 USA. So it has a two-piece. This one's gonna be on the driver's side, this one's gonna be the passenger side. So yeah, I do have a skid plate, but I'm gonna remove it because my design of that is not too good. It's grabbing rocks and everything, so you'll see it anyway. But anyway, yeah, so stay tuned and I'm gonna show you how to install this. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the gas skid plate. So they provided like a, what do you call it, a bracket and an instruction manual, and very clear. The instructions really great though, so you won't be lost or something. So yeah, it's not too hard to follow it. So now time to install this. Alright guys, so far as you can see, I do have the factory plastic skid plate. So kinda remove it because, you know, the mounting point was like broken and it's kinda like sagging there and grabbing a lot of things. So I just decided to remove it anyway, since it's not gonna be useful anyway. So yeah, so now the first one I'm gonna install is the driver's side. So it's gonna be the same process as the driver's side there. So yeah, so pretty much all you need to do is mount the bracket here, and then there's another one here somewhere, and then I think the other one's gonna be right here somewhere here, the bolt. So I'm not sure yet, but need to explore it a little bit. So at least the kit has the instructions, so it's gonna be easy to install this. So I'm glad. And this one, because it rained like few days ago, that's why I didn't install it, and I already used it. So yes, it's well protected. You already got some what do you call that, scratches or rock from scratches from the rock. So yeah, and it's really thick. So anyway guys, let me just install the bracket now. Alright guys, so I got 3 mounted bracket here. So this one, it's gonna be right here, and then the short one, it's gonna be the other end, and then this one is gonna be in the side here somewhere. So yeah, so let me just this one's gonna be 14, so let me just install this one. After that we're gonna do the other one there in the end. So after that, this one. So yeah, man, yeah, it should be good enough. And then you just simply slide it in. Alright, so that's in. So once it's in, next it's gonna be the other one. I don't want to tighten this first because it might like misalignment to the hole for the skid plate. So just leave it like that for now. So let me just put this in there. That's why always read the instruction. Let me see if I can insert it. Oh god, I should like power wash this car before I install it, but I don't know. There, so it's in the right hole now. So it's gonna be right there. So yeah, so let me just install it. Alright guys, so once we installed, next is in the side. Alright, and the last for the mounting bracket is gonna be right here next to the line for the brakes. So this one, so I already loose it. Okay, and then it's gonna be right like this, like that. So it's gonna be like that. Alright guys, so once all the mounting bracket are installed, you just simply, like, since it's there's a bolt welded already, so you're just gonna have to screw it, and that's pretty much it. So let me get all the screws. Okay. Woo. Yeah, it's not gonna go anywhere. Alright guys, so the other side has been installed, so it's gonna be the same process as the other one. So yeah, it's pretty easy though. It's pretty easy once you know how to do this first one. It's gonna be easy to install the second one. So yeah, well, so far it looks strong to me, so we'll see when I'm going to the trail. And that one already got the scratches from the rock, so I guess I could say it's really strong, I guess, but who knows. But for me, I just want to protect my gas tank, because it's kind of like a, you know, once the rock hit that, it's gonna start leaking and you're stranded. So yeah, like I said, I don't have a plastic skid plate here, that's why it's pretty easy to me to install this. So I'm not sure how hard or how long you're gonna take to install this with the plastic skid plate. So yeah, so hope you like this video guys, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to inspire me to do more. So I'll see you next time for another DIY build, especially on my Rav4. So peace out guys.